Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will help you to learn how you can download Tinder app on your device. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up a Play Store or App Store on your device. And there on the search bar, search for Tinder. Then tap on magnifying glass icon at the bottom right of your screen. And once you tap on it, you will be able to see Tinder app on your screen. Now to get that Tinder app on your device, you have to tap on install button at the top right of your screen. Once you tap on it, app will start to download. Now once your Tinder app gets downloaded and installed, you will be taken to the next page where you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now if you want to open up your Tinder app, then you can tap on open button at the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on open button, you will be directly landed to the Tinder homepage. And now you can get logged into your Tinder account by tapping on one of these options. Now that's all it takes to get your Tinder app on your device. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.